So how do you change the calendar date on an iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So it kind of depends on what you want to do, right? Because if you want to change the date, right, like across your entire phone, you can open up your settings app and go to your general section of the settings, and there you can see the date and a time. Like personally, I keep it set on automatically, meaning that it connects to the internet. It tells me where I happen to be at the moment and, chooses the date and the time from there. But that's how I like to keep it. But you can, of course, uncheck it, the automatic option, and switch the date to something else. This will apply to obviously all of the other places, including the calendar. So if you want to do this for whatever reason, then that's how it works. Another thing which I believe you might have in mind is like changing the starting day of the week within the calendar or some other related settings, which you can find in the apps section of your settings app and go to the calendar specifically. And there you can see you can find the synchronization and starting the week on different days, and yeah, you can see like the week numbers and whatever you want to change in here, it's possible, right? So I would really appreciate if you let me know in the comments below if we managed to actually fix the issue for you, or if I explain it properly. If not, let me know what exactly you meant. Perhaps I'll make an updated video about it, but most definitely subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming videos like this one.